Okay. Good morning, Mr. Erasmus Herman. How are you doing? How is Namibia? All right. So let's just do this thing quickly. I've already introduced myself. My name is Mikel Doche, Chorus Club International Ghana, Stage 2 Level 3, marching on. Okay. Now, you have a discussion with me concerning how many accounts is required to complete the different stages. Okay. uh, for the purpose of time and purpose of focus, I would like to discuss with you just stage 1, 2 and 3. Okay, good. Stage 1, 2 and 3. Previously I told you that stage 1 you need 13 accounts, stage 2 you need 39 accounts, and stage 3 as well you need 39 accounts. Okay, but the account that I mentioned, for instance, in stage 1, now let me explain the board for you. You can see here we have accounts needed. That means the account that are required for you to reach a particular level or a particular stage. So here is stage completed. Okay, good. So stage 1, yourself, you come with your first account, you bring 3 people. That means you have finished stage 1, level 1. Those people go and bring another 3. That's making 9, because it's 3 times 3 making 9 people that are coming in. Okay, new accounts. Then stage 2, stage 1, level 2. Then that means that you have done with stage 1. Then so you are already in stage 2. Okay, you make sure you have your 13 account. That means yourself, next 3, next 9. You are done with stage 1. But we're not going to do that discussion now, asking like bringing in 1 people. The focus here is multiple account creation. That is the method here. So you can complete the stage so fast and get our cars or whatever level and be in stage 4 and keep on moving. So here you can see 13 personal accounts. Okay, that means that you are signing up with your own personal 13 account. When that one happens, automatically your first account is in stage 2. You understand? Now when you come to stage 2, what are you going to do in stage 2? And also at this point, let me explain something again about something you call generation. Now, let's assume, or let me just say that the 3 accounts that are under you, those people are yours, your first generation, right? Then this is your second generation, your third generation. Now, that means that these are people that are joining your matrix system in what? That they are coming in by generation. Now, look at this thing for instance. You can see that this is you here. Okay? The first 3 accounts, that's first generation. The next 9 people, that's second generation. The next 27, that's third generation. That's what's going on here. So you can see 27 down. So just multiply by 3 and you're getting these figures here. So times 3, 9 by 2, 27, 27 times 3, 81, 81 by 3, 243, and you are going. Okay, so these are new accounts that will be joining your matrix at each generation. Now this is the best way, because in this way you are building your team vertically. Hello? This account that are joining your team, they are coming in vertically. It is so important in Chorus Club to build vertically than to build horizontally. When you build horizontally, that means that, for instance, you are not worried about what's going on here, but just on one leg alone. Okay? There's an advantage when you build on one leg. That's what we call the one leg effects in Chorus Club. I'll come to that another time or so. I'll explain that one to you later. But for today, I want to understand how you can complete the stages using the multiple account creation. So when you open 13 accounts yourself personally, you're going to complete stage 1. Okay? But when you open 40 personal accounts, you will be in stage 2, level 1. When you open 121 personal accounts by yourself, that means you yourself, you have money to open 121 accounts. Automatically, your first account will qualify for stage 2, level 2. That means you will not enter global matrix. What about if you have more money and you want to build a team that everybody that will join the team can come in with 364 accounts, personal accounts? Even you yourself, when you join Chorus Club International with 364 personal accounts, automatically, not only will you be in stage 2, level 3, you also complete stage 2 and also be in stage 3 automatically. Just that you not finish stage 3 level 1. Because stage 3 level 1 means that what? 3 other accounts have joined you. Okay? I hope you understand this thing here. If you don't really know, if you have questions, you can send to me later. Now let's look at the money aspect. When you come with 13 personal accounts, each account is 120 rands. Times 13, you have 1,560 rands. Okay? That means that to open 13 personal accounts, you need 1560 rands. 1560 rands. If you want to come into Coach Club International with 40 personal accounts, you need 4,800 rands. I hope you understand, because each account is 120 rands. So times 40, you have 4,800. Okay? Therefore, all your team members, all those that will join you, must also come in with 40 accounts. That means you are now building a team where everybody that joins you comes in with 40 accounts, personal accounts. You can build a team whereby everybody joins you with 13 personal accounts. That means everybody comes in what? 1560. If you can also come in Coach Club International with 364 personal accounts. Okay? So times 120, that's 43,680 rounds. Okay? So this amount you need to come in with 364 personal accounts. This is the amount you need to come in with what? 121 personal accounts. And at each level, it shows you where you will be located. In other words, it shows you where your first account will be located. Because your first account is what you are going to use to qualify you for the car. To qualify you for anything. Now, don't forget that all the accounts, all your personal accounts that are joining you, money will be coming inside. Okay? For instance, when you open your first account over here, and you now open your next 3 accounts, the company now gives you $1 for each account that you personally created. That means your Herman 1 will collect what? $3. When you open your next 9 personal accounts, Herman 1 will also receive around $9, making what? $12. And because you have your 3 and 9 accounts, you are being paid what you call stage completion bonus, which is $2.5. So in all, because you open your 13 personal account, you're going to have what? $14.5. You understand? Now the same thing continue as you open maybe 40 accounts, or you open 121 account, or whatever. Okay? But any of the method that you choose to build as a team, there are calculations that we're going to do. We have, because the body is so small, I can't draw everything here, but we have teachings per level, per genealogy, and everything. But for today, okay, for you to get to complete stage 2, okay, if you want to go in at once by yourself, you need 364 personal accounts. When you open all these accounts, your first account will enter stage 3 automatically, because you complete stage 1, stage 2, and you enter stage 3, you have 364 accounts. At that point, this is the next secret. Because you have entered stage 3 with 364 personal accounts, which is 42,680 rounds, what are you going to do? Okay, to complete stage 3 and qualify for the car? If you look at it here, for instance, you now need next line of, that means like generation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 7, 8. Look at the number of accounts that you need again to complete stage 3. But see, the company now brings in what we call the one leg effect. What's going to happen? When you come in with 364 personal accounts, okay, and you've completed stage 2, stage 1, stage 2, you are not in stage 3 yourself. That means this is you over here. Now in stage 1, you know, they were red for you. Okay, this is you over here, and they were red for you. Okay, but when you go to stage 2, they were blue. That means this is the icon that you use. Okay, now I don't have a green marker here, but when you get to stage 3, you begin to use what? Green. We have green over here. Now let's assume that you've come in with 364 personal accounts, okay, and automatically your first account has entered stage 3. Good. That means that this is you over here. Now, understand something. It is your first account that has entered stage 3, not your second, third, fourth, fifth, eighth, ninth, 54, 100, 120. No, it is your first account that has entered stage 3. Now, every stage has what we call what? A matrix. Okay, every stage has what we call a matrix. So, In stage 1, we have just 2 levels. 2 levels. That is 2 generations. But in stage 2 and stage 3, it is 3 levels. So we have stage 2 level 1, stage 2 level 2, stage 2 level 3. When you come to stage 3, so we have stage 3 level 1, stage 2 level 2, stage 3 level 3. Okay? So this is the case you come with 364 personal accounts, which is 43,780 rounds. Now, your first account now enters stage 3. So how do you complete stage 3? This is it. How many people do you need in stage 3? You need, as I said earlier on, you need 39 of your team members. 39 team members. Very important. 39 team members. See, you can, I just want to advise you now, very simple. When you join Kobe's Club with 364 personal accounts, which is this amount of money, okay, you enter stage 3 automatically. Go and look for 39 people, 39 leaders. You can start one by one. Don't rush. Just get the first 3 of them. Okay? They're supposed to do the same thing. They will, your second account, third account, fourth account will also begin to show in your match, in your stage 3 matches. After the first 3 people, go and look for, you don't have 9 people to come and join you. So you now look for the next 9 leaders again that will come with the same 364 personal accounts, each of them. That means you're going to share the same vision with your team members. Now when these 9 people come and they join you, at each level, okay, in any generation, that means that now you have your stage 3 level 1 because you brought 3 leaders that did the same 364 accounts. Now you're not going to bring another 9 leaders again. Do the same thing. When that will happen, your next 9 accounts, because you have 364 accounts, that means you have more of your accounts at the top. But when these people leaders now join you at the bottom and begin to do the same thing, all your accounts begin to show forth in your stage 3. Therefore, your stage 3 will begin to fill up each own matrix. What's going to happen? Your next 9 personal accounts will also show in your stage 3 matrix. That means you have completed stage 3 level 2. When the first 3 people came, you've completed stage 3 level 1. When the next 9 people came, which are here, you complete your stage 3 level 2. Okay? Now, this is the last baton. Say last baton. Last baton, the last race. This is where you go for 27 leaders. See, the world is small. This is just Namibia. Think about South Africa. Think about Mozambique. Think about Kenya. Think about, the countries down there in Southern Africa. I'm in the West Africa, so most of the countries here. Okay, so Uganda. You have people in Uganda. Okay, so the next 27 people now come and join you. When this one happens, remember that you have completed stage 3. Automatically, you are prepared for the car. You have qualified for the car. So, this is it. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, just let me know. And go through it, listen again, and any question that you have, you let me know. Now, this explanation is based on what? 364 personal accounts creation teamwork. Okay, so based on this one, so this is what's going to happen. You come with 264 accounts, you enter stage 3. Because, I hope you understand. If you like, just go and add 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 2, 4, 3. See what you get. You will get 364 personal accounts. And when that happens, your first account enters stage 3. Or you complete stage 3. That means you enter stage 3. You understand? So you do something. That's it. So far, this is how it works. If you want to look at, okay, I need 4,000 plus account to complete stage 3. Don't look at it that way. It's all about teamwork. You alone cannot bring all these people. You can't bring, in fact, there are not even people that actually accounts. That means one person can bring 200 accounts. That's it, that you have 100 people. One person can register 200 accounts. That's not like he has got 200 people. So it's all about account. Therefore, why won't you look for people? That means that you actually need just 40 leaders plus yourself. 40 people. You yourself inclusive, because you need 39. Okay? So plus yourself making 40. You can even come for a meeting, a conference. So you're looking for 40 people or 39 people. Just say 40. You can even say 57. That will join you with 364 accounts. That's all. This amount is even just up to that. That's all. You can say it's maybe 44,000 rands. You understand? Approximately 44,000 rands. So that's it. Okay? That's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you.